This trip has been a long time coming. After multiple rebookings because of event, launches, and everything happening in BFC Love, we finally made it happen. Sometimes you don't realize how much you need to pause until you finally do. First stop, Balboa Island here in California. It's a small coastal community, very chill. May mga waterfront homes and sobrang laid-back ng vibe. Walking around Newport. Okay. Ang aga pa guys. Ngayon ay alas 8:30 pa lang. But we're walking around para we're gonna go at the beach. Uy, ang sarap mag-walking dito. We're just walking around in the morning. Ito, pinsan ko. Kas, bigyan mo kaming konting mabilisang insights. Ano yung, nasan tayo ngayon?
We are in Balboa Island.
Balboa Island.
Newport Beach.
Newport Beach, sabi ni Kas. Iba talaga ang feel pag close ka sa beach. Parang automatic, bumabagal ang takbo ng isip mo. And for someone na laging on the go, this is something that I really need. At this point, magpaka-real estate agent muna tayo because this property comes with the ocean breeze, premium sunlight, at free emotional healing. Bola-bola natin. Ano na, kapili na ho ba kayo? Ng maaari niyong bilhin dito sa...
Pili ka na ba?
Check out nyo na to! Dito check out nila yan.
Magkano pang discount natin dyan?
Dahil naka-live
discount card ako nakakito eh.
Naka-live flashing tayo ngayon, you will get 20% discount voucher. Oh, okay na.
Okay.
Oh, sold. There you go, guys. Tap tayo on your screen. Siyempre, kahit vacation, may konting work pa rin. Reality check. Pero when you love what you do, hindi naman siya mahirap. Travel and work, hindi perfect yung balance. Pero it works. Walking, ini-enjoy natin yung morning sun natin.
Uy, baka magkamilasma ka niyan.
Nako, hindi ako magkakamilasma. Alam mo kung bakit? Dahil naka-Lumifix tayo. Ang Lumifix may polypodium leukotomos na nagsisilbing protection ko. Para sa ganun, hindi naman tayo magkamilasma at hindi tayo magkaroon ng UV damage. We spent some time just walking around, checking out small shops and local finds. Walang rush, just enjoying the moment. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Binondo. Hindi, joke lang. We are here at the Balboa Island. Pakita mo naman sa kanila ano yung iniikot natin. And we are walking around. It's a Saturday afternoon. Ano ang plano natin for this Saturday? Saturday morning, sorry. Saturday morning. Sabi ni...
Let's look for a restaurant muna.
Let's look for a restaurant. Oo. Tapos, sabi ni Mitch, ililibre daw niya tayo ng frozen banana. Pag nanalo ka sa loto, anong plano mo? Ayan, tataya daw kami ng loto.
Pila ko lang sa pumbahay dito sa Balboa Island.
Sa Balboa Island. Uy, di ba may artistang Balboa? Asi nga. Hindi mo ayaw sabihin. Ayan siya guys. Nagpaplano siyang bumili ng sweets. Then, nagpunta kami sa marina where the yachts are parked. Ang tahimik. Parang minsan, gusto mo ring tumanga-tanga pa minsan-minsan. Different environment, different energy. Walking around. This is our morning stroll, guys. Diba? Look at that. So, saan tayo punta?
Sa may swimming area. Palit muna ako ng shorts.
Wow, magsiswimming ka dyan. Hirap na mag-swimming. Walking lang tayo. Tapos, sa hindi ko maintindihan ang dahilan, naka-jacket kaming dalawa sa init ng sikat ng araw. Pero kasi, maaga tayo nagising ngayon. Para just to, burn all the calories na kinain natin kagabi and just enjoy the calm, quiet, very peaceful, right? Look at that. Umimingwit pala si kuya dun. So, pwede mamingwit. After that, we drove to the other side sa Corona del Mar, sa Lookout Point Beach. And honestly, every stop, mas kumaganda. And of course, mas nagiging meaningful ang trip kapag may mga kasama kang kachismisan. At the end of the day, success is not just about building businesses. It's about creating moments like this. So time to reset, recharge, and come back stronger.